Okay, so I really don't like to see people struggle, so I'm going to give a quick coil rundown. You have a positive, which goes to your key or an ignition 12-volt source. One wire, positive. Your negative wire is just a small signal coming from the distributor. One ground wire coming from the distributor. So you'll see I have a coil wire coming to a spark plug. I have this wire on the spark plug to pretend to be a chassis ground or an engine ground that goes back to the battery. So that goes back to the battery. So if I apply ground, that spark plug is going to spark. So I'm going to turn the flashlight off now. We're going to get real close to the plug and watch. That's how a distributor works. As it's spinning, it triggers the ground. The ground causes the spark to flash. So if you have this wire grounded to the block, you are never going to get spark. So this ground going to the coil only goes to the distributor. It does not go to the battery or the block.